guys, Leggy here and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about Mullen and how it's taken the community tab, which goes into penny stocks, on Trading 212 by storm. It's literally what everyone's talking about at the moment. So just before we get into the video, as I said, it's part of the community tab for penny stocks, which means that it's a very speculative asset. And I'll be showing you the pros and cons throughout this video, why I think that, it does have high upside potential, as do all penny stocks, that's why people invest in them, but it could very easily go to zero. So I will go through the red flags there are, and also why it could be a good investment, or yeah, we're just going to weigh out the pros and cons. So what makes it such an interesting stock is that there's actually a huge difference in price predictions by analysts. So there was literally a price prediction that was $23, although someone pointed out that this was one from a couple years back, and a lot has changed from there, but it's just come up again. But as I said, there's a lot of pages which are bullish for the stock, and there's a lot of pages which say stay away from it. So it's very 50-50. But let's have a look at this risk analysis. So it says it's a highly volatile share price over the past 3 months. I can attest to that. Over the last week, it's gone down and then had a rebound. But it seems like it's actually at a rebound of a falling wedge. But the shareholders have substantially diluted in the past year, and also it makes less than $1 million in revenue, so they haven't actually created cars yet to my knowledge. So as I said, it is hugely speculative, and you're basically investing in what they are going to do instead of what they're doing at the moment. So let's firstly go into the massive news where Mullen writes 6,000 van order from RMA. So this came out bearing in mind that the stock has already rallied 20% on this news, so it is basically already priced in, but it is absolutely massive, and I assume that this means that when their quarterly results come out, it could definitely positively affect that. As well as this, it says that Mullen Automotive's short percent of float has fallen 8.31% since its last report. The company recently reported that it has 1.61 million shares sold short, which is 11.69% of all regular shares that are available for trading. Based on its trading volume, it would take traders 0.9 days to cover their short positions on average. So it says a decrease in short interest can signal that they have become more bullish, so this is a really good sign. As well as this, on Thursday it says that there were a total of 194.01k call options versus 12.77k put options, which means, as it says above there, investors are radiating strong bullish sentiment towards this stock. The trading volume as well seems to be absolutely massive, so I'll stick what it is up here. But yeah, as I said, so that's just showing the interest in the stock at the moment. It's gone a bit crazy. I know a lot of YouTube videos have absolutely popped off. So now what is the bad side and what is the red flags of the project? So this already happened a couple weeks ago, and I believe the stock has recovered from this this event. But it says that Mullen announced a late filing for a Form 10K. Also, the big one is that their director actually recently sold 100,000 shares of the firm's stock. That occurred early December, so this is quite old news as well, although it's not a good look for the company and the direction they're going at, especially since, considering the all-time high of the company is so high, he sold them for an average price of 0.33 cents. This obviously shows the sentiment that he doesn't see value in these stocks, that they could be sold back at a higher price, although he could have just needed the cash flow. It's who knows, but it's still not a very good look. But yeah guys, that's my brief overview of this stock. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.